Apple's house is always clean. How clean? The cleanest, without a doubt. Apple wakes each morning at dawn, and before she even drinks her first cup of coffee, she wipes down all of the surfaces in her house and makes sure that the sinks are sparkling. She sprays bleach in all of the bathrooms and even scores the toilets, puts a load of laundry in the machine, and only sits down after she's had a good shower, in which she vigorously scrubs her entire body with Castile soap. Apple showers twice a day, even in the winter, and washes her hands every hour on the hour because of germs. When she was a little girl, while all the other children played with dolls and tractors, Apple played dusting all her toys. Order gives her room to breathe. Cleaning gives her a sense of calm. Without them, she can't rest. She loses her grip, and then she can feel the dirt and disorder permeate deep inside of her. Crab apple, from self-disgust to acceptance, I am pure and whole. Crab apple, the card reminds us to practice full acceptance of ourselves. Whatever we have perceived as a flaw is nothing but a part of the complete being that is us. It brings up a sense of purification. It teaches us that our body is strong and that it is a masterpiece of creation.